mercy covers me. Your love reaches the heavens, your faithfulness the skies. You are the fountain of life. In your light we see the light. When the night is getting heavy and the road is hard to see, I remember your compassion like an ocean carrying me. Mountains speak of your righteousness, deep waters tell your grace. Every morning mercy finds me and I run into your embrace. How priceless is your love, oh Lord, how faithful is your name. Generation after generation, you remain the same. Under the shadow of your love, I am safe, I am secure. Under the shadow of your wings, your mercy will endure. Your love reaches the heavens, your faithfulness the skies. Jesus, you are my fountain. In your light I come alive. Oh, I come alive. Oh, in your light. Under the shadow of your love, I will worship day and night. At your table there is plenty, living water for my soul. When the world leaves hearts so empty, you are more than enough, Lord. Let your kindness keep on flowing to the ones who know your name. Keep my footsteps close beside you, let my heart remain in grace. How priceless is your love, oh Lord, how faithful is your name. From the rising of the morning, I will bless you all my days. Under the shadow of your love, I am safe, I am secure. Under the shadow of your kindness stands like the mountains. You are the fountain of life. So keep us near you, keep us beneath your wings. Let your love